Good morning, children. Welcome back to our math session. Today's topic is Introduction Part 4 and Exercise 4.4 of Chapter 4 Practical Geometry. In this video, we are constructing a quadrilateral of 3 sides and 2 angles. With that, we are solving exercise 4.5 also. Some special quadrilateral. Okay, so let me start.
Now we can construct a quadrilateral where three sides and two included angles are given. For that, first we can take one example. So the question is, construct a quadrilateral ABCD where sides adjacent side AB, BC and AD are 5 cm, 3 cm and 4 cm respectively. Also, two included angles, angle A and angle B are 120 degree and 110 degree respectively. So let me see how to construct a quadrilateral with three sides and two angles are given. Okay. So here as per given question, here AB 5 centimeter, BC 3 centimeter, AD 4 centimeter and angle A 120 degree, angle B 110 degree. So let me see how could we construct. So first step, draw a line segment AB of 5 centimeter. Second step, use a protractor and draw an angle of 120 degree at vertex A. Now third step, use compass and 4 centimeter radius with A as center, draw an arc which cuts the arm of 120 degree angle. And mark point of intersection as point D. Next, again using protractor and draw an angle of 110 degree at vertex B. The next point, again using compass and 3 centimeter radius with B as center, draw an arc which cuts the arm of 110 degree angle. And mark the point of intersection as our point C. Now we can join C and D. So now we got the required quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Now quickly recollect the steps of construction here again. Okay. So first point, draw a line segment AB of 5 centimeter. Second point, draw an angle of 120 degree at vertex A. Third point, with A as center, draw an arc of 4 centimeter radius with a cut which cuts the arm of 120 degree angle. Fourth point, and mark point of intersection as D. Fifth point, draw an angle of 110 degree at vertex B. Sixth point, with B as center, draw an arc of 3 centimeter radius which cuts the arm of 110 degree angle. Seventh point, and mark point of intersection as C. Now we can join C and D and we get the required quadrilateral ABCD here. Now let me start our exercise 4.4 first question. Construct a quadrilateral DR DE 4 cm, EA 5 cm, AR 4.5 cm, angle E 60 degree, angle A 90 degree. So see the steps of construction. First, draw a line segment EA is 5 cm. Second step, draw an angle of 60 degree at vertex E. Third point, with E as center, draw 4 cm cut off EX at D. Now 4 cm, draw an angle of 90 degree at vertex A. Fifth point, with A as center and radius 4.5 cm, draw an arc to cut off AY at R. Now join D and R. Then we got the required quadrilateral DR. Clear? Okay.
Now let's construct question number 2 of exercise 4.4. Construct a quadrilateral true TR 3.5 cm, RU 3 cm, UE 4 cm, angle R 75 degree and angle U 120 degree. Let's see the steps. First, draw a line segment RU 3 cm. Second, draw an angle of 75 degree at vertex R. Third point, with R as center and radius 3.5 centimeter, cut off Rx at T. Now fourth point, draw an angle of 120 degree at vertex U. Now with U as center and radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc to cut CY at E. Now join T and E. So we got the required quadrilateral true here. Here we have already completed our exercise 4.1 to 4.4, isn't it? From these all, we can see that 5 measurements of a quadrilateral can determine a quadrilateral uniquely, isn't it? Are you thinking that any 5 measurements of the quadrilateral can do this? Yeah, any measurement is given, then you can make a unique quadrilateral there? No, any 5 measurements cannot determine a quadrilateral uniquely, isn't it? So what we need, if it is 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given, yeah, 2 sides and 3 diagonals are given, yeah, 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, yeah, otherwise 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Then only we can say that it is a unique quadrilateral, isn't it? So here all you can see that 5 measurements are given there, isn't it? It may be sides, yeah, angles. At least 5 measurements are there. So from this and all, we can understand that at least 5 measurements are required to draw a quadrilateral, any quadrilateral, isn't it? But now here we are going to study some special quadrilaterals. That quadrilaterals are not required 5 measurements. At least one measurements we can draw some special quadrilateral. If any 2 measurements are given, then also we can draw some special quadrilateral, like as a square. If only one measurement is given, then we can draw, yeah, we can construct a square, like as a rectangle. If 2 measurements are given, like as rhombus, like as parallelogram, these and all are less than 5 measurements are given, then also we can construct a quadrilateral. That is only special quadrilaterals. Okay. So let me see. So here we are starting our exercise 4.5, question number 1. Construct the square reed with RE is 5.1 centimeter. Let's see how to construct. Here you can see that only one measurement is given. But a square, we know that all sides are equal and all angles also 90 degree. Isn't it? So first step, we can draw RE, that is 5.1 centimeter. Line segment RE. Now draw an angle of 90 degree at E and cut EA is equal to 5.1 centimeter. That is A, point A. Now third point, draw 2 arcs from A and R with a radius 5.1 centimeter to cut each other at D. Means both will intersect at there. That intersecting point is D. Now we got join RD and AD. This is our required square reed. Clear? Now let's construct our second special quadrilateral, that is a rhombus, whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. Let's see. Draw AC 6.4 centimeter. That is diagonal. Okay, AC. Now draw the right bisector of AC at E. Means you have to draw a perpendicular line on AC. Now draw 2 arcs with the center E and radius 5.2 by 2, means half of 5.2, that is equal to 2.6 centimeter, to cut the previous diagonal at B and D. Now join AD, AB, BC and DC. So we got the required rhombus ABCD here. Okay. Third one is a rectangle with adjacent side of length 5 centimeter and 4 centimeters are given. We know that opposite side of a rectangles are always equal, isn't it? And angles are 90 degree also. So first we can draw PQ. that is 5 centimeter. Any name you can give. Okay, here I have given PQRS. So PQ 5 centimeter. Now draw an angle of 90 degree at Q and cut QR is equal to 4 centimeter. Now draw an arc with a center R and a radius 5 centimeter. Same way draw another arc with a center P, radius 4 centimeter to meet the previous arc at S. Means that intersection point is S. Now you can join RS and PS. So you got the required quadrilateral, required rectangle PQRS here. Okay. Last one is parallelogram. Here OK. OK is 5.5 centimeter and KA is equal to 4.2 centimeter. So here also parallelogram, we know that opposite angles also equal and opposite sides also equal. But here angles are not given, so we can take any randomly any angle and draw one angle there. Okay. So first draw a line segment OK 5.5 centimeter and second draw an angle of 90 degree at K and draw an arc of radius KA is equal to 4.2 centimeter which intersect at point A. Okay. So here we have taken 90 degree. You can take any angle and cut there 4.2 centimeter. Now third point, draw another arc of radius AY that is 5.5 centimeter at point O. Draw another arc of radius 4.2 centimeter which intersect at Y. So join AY and OY. So you got required parallelogram. Okay. Clear? First draw OK 5.5 centimeter, then with K as center, draw an angle of 90 degree. Yeah, any angle you can draw. In that angle, you cut 4.2 centimeter. That 4.2 centimeter cutting arc, that is our intersecting point A. With A as center, draw an arc of 5.5 centimeter. Same way, with O as center, draw another arc of 4.2 centimeter. Then both intersection point, intersecting point is our Y. Then after that, you can join OY and AY. So now you got the required parallelogram. Okay here.
So this session we are winding up here. So we have completed our exercise 4.4 and 4.5, means we have already completed our lesson here. Okay, note down all the, construct all the diagrams in your notebook with the steps of constructions neatly. Okay, so thank you.